In this video, I'm going to show you how to move email subscribers from Systeme.io to Beehiiv step by step so you can transfer your audience quickly and keep everything organized. If you've been growing your list in Systeme.io and you're ready to bring those subscribers into Beehiiv, this guide will walk you through the entire process from export to import. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs. First, log into your Systeme.io account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the subscribers area and select the subscribers you want to move. If you want to transfer your full list, make sure everything you need is selected before continuing. After that, click Export. Systeme.io will prepare your subscriber data and generate a CSV file for download. Now download the subscriber CSV file to your computer. This file is what Beehiiv will use to bring your contacts into the new platform. Once the download is complete, take note of where the file was saved so you can find it easily during the import step. Next, log into your Beehiiv account. From the Beehiiv dashboard, click Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscribers Import section. This is where Beehiiv allows you to bring in subscriber lists from other platforms. Click Subscribers Import, then click New Subscribers Import to start a fresh import process. On the import screen, select Upload CSV File. This tells Beehiiv that you want to upload the list you exported from Systeme.io. Browse your computer, locate the CSV file you downloaded, and upload it into Beehiiv. Once the file is uploaded, Beehiiv will display the available columns from your CSV. Now comes an important step: map the email and name fields. This is where you tell Beehiiv which column contains the subscriber email addresses and which column contains the subscriber names. Double check this carefully because accurate mapping ensures your list imports correctly and your contacts stay properly labeled. If your CSV has extra columns, make sure they're matched only if you actually want Beehiiv to use that data. After the fields are mapped, click Import. Beehiiv will begin processing your subscriber list. Depending on the size of your CSV, this may take a little time, so be patient while the import finishes. Don't refresh the page or close the tab until the process is complete. Once the import is done, go to Audience, then click Subscribers. This is where you can verify that all of your subscribers were imported successfully. Take a moment to review the list and make sure the email addresses and names look correct. If everything appears as expected, then your transfer from Systeme.io to Beehiiv is complete. And that's it. You've successfully moved your email subscribers from Systeme.io to Beehiiv. This is a simple but powerful way to migrate your audience without having to manually add contacts one by one. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next one.